Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using the powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today. These are from the brand Revel Nail, and here are the shades. So we have Barbara and Tiara. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Tiara, and next is in the shade Barbara. And I'm also going to use Revel Nail Pro Base as well as their Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Miss Nail Snow White top coat. So to start off, I will be applying my nail dehydrator to all of my nails. So then after that, I move on to my Pro Base. So I apply a thin layer of this base to my nails and then immediately dip my nails into the powder and tap off the excess. So for my middle, ring, pinky, and thumb, I will be using the shade Barbara. I have to be honest, I'm not really a big fan of black manicure, but this Barbara is really black and it's actually really nice. So once I'm finished with the third coat, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the shade Tiara. So I will be applying this shade on my pointy finger. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and tap off the excess. This shade is so beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite shade in Revel Nail. It's so nice and it's very sparkly and the glitters is just really nice. And also this powder is really not difficult to work with, so I really like this powder. So then once I'm finished with the third coat of Tiara, I brush up all the excess powder and then I decided to apply a thin layer of the base to my middle and ring finger and then dust a little bit of Tiara on top of Barbara. So then after that, I brush up the excess powder and then move on to my clear powder to encapsulate the glitters and the colors. I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails because it will protect your color and your glitter from filing and buffing. So then once I'm finished with the clear, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to my activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator to all of my nails. And then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera. And then I brush off all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. And then next I move on to my Miss Nails No Wipe Top Coat, and I apply a thin layer of this to my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. At this point, you can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. I'm just not a big fan of dip powder top coat in general, so I always use No Wipe Top Coat. So then once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails, and then we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.